I see we got something in the mail. Good guy graphics. Okay, Ben's gonna be so pumped. Honey, look what we got.
Whoa. Good guys graphics?
Let's go unbox it. So our next very exciting build is gonna be for our business.
Good guys graphics.
And apparently they sent us a present. You said they told you what it is?
I think they're just a couple of t-shirts or polos.
They're a graphics company. They make logos and stuff, so hopefully they'll look good. Let's unbox it. Scalpel. It's not here. It's not here. I'm guessing it's here.
No. Not here.
It's not here. It's gotta be here.
A few moments later.
Here?
Here.
Okay. We'll try to open it from here.
Ooh.
Look at its embroidery.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What else do we got?
We also got like some hologram stickers.
Whoa.
Look at it, they're so shiny.
Shiny.
Whoa, these are actually nicer than our stickers.
Matches your holographic shirt. Okay. Whoa, these are so soft.
I'll show you guys the embroidery real quick. Look at the detail.
Got some mouse pads. This one's actually Spencer Lee's PC. So this is the Itachi build that we did. And then this one is the one with the HYTE screen on it. So it's pretty cool. We got a bunch of mouse pads.
Whoa, they look so good.
Okay, that's all the goodies they sent us. So
Yeah. I'm actually curious about one thing. You guys see this QR code over here? I wonder if it takes it to our website or their website. Get it in the frame. Face ID. I think it takes it to our Instagram.
Ooh, fancy. This video is not sponsored, but it's fun that they sent us a bunch of goodies.
Yeah. Thank you guys. If you guys are watching, thank you so much. Okay, we're gonna try this on real quick. Ready?
Autobots, roll out.
3, 2, 1. Woo.
Ooh, looks good. Let's go. Build the PC. Woo. Woo. Oh,
okay. Okay.
I changed too fast.